Hi everyone, this is Mulena from Homesweetland YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn about WH questions. WH questions are a question in English introduced by WH word that requires information. WH word بزم WH word زبالو ጥያቄ ወይ ደግሞ ሰብ እንተሓቲቱ ወይ ተጠይቁና and that requires information ሓበሬታ ይደል ዘሎ ማለት እዩ ሓበሬታ ይደል ዝሰብ ማለት እዩ እዚ yes or no ኢልና አይንመልሰሉ ለማይመልሲ so ወይ WH ዝምሩዮ ወይ ደግሞ ኣብ ዚጋ ምሽጢ WH letters ወይ ፊደል ዘሎ ከም how ዝብል እዚ WH question is a number. WH question I generally. Hazi lab majormara kanati. First one is who. Who is used for person. Who when you say who, it is men malatu. So nisabina takameluzi. So who's that? Who's that? The labzi. Who's that? Many iti many you. We don't know iti a many azil tiyake kanbiya. So who's that? Number 2. Where. Hazi we use where for a place, where ማለት አበይ ናበይ ካበይ ንቦታ አይናንተቀመሉ so ቦታ the sentence here where are you going ናበይ ትኸይዳለኻ ወይ ደግሞ ናበይ ትኸዳለኺ ኢልና ክንጠይቅ ተቀመሉ so this is it and the next one why is used for reason እዚ ምክንያት እናተቀመሉ means ንምንታይ ስለምንታይ so we say why do you wake up early ንምንታይኻ ወይ ንምንታይኺ አንጊኻ ወይ አንጊኽት ትስኢ ወይ ትላዓሊ and the next one why don't as እንደገና why don't we use this one making a suggestion when you suggest something ሪኢቶ ወይ ክነዘኻኽር እንተለና ክነዘኻኽር ተደሊና ሓደ ሰብ ወይ ሓሳብ ንምቕራብ ንጥቀመሉ we say why don't we do it later እዚ እንታይ ዳሕራይ ዘይንሰርሖ እዚ ሓሳብ ንምቕራብ ንጥቀመሉ ቃል እዚ The next one, when is used for time. The when ዝብል ጊዜ ንጥቀመሉ so it means ማዓስ ወይ ማዓዝ ኢልና ወይ አበየና እዋን ጊዜ ንምግላጽ ንጥቀመሉ so when you go to school ማዓዝ ኢኻ ትምህርት ቤት ትኸይድ እንደ ሰዓት ኢኻ ትምህርት ቤት ትኸይድ ማለት ወይ እንደ ሰዓት ኢኻ ትምህርት ቤት ትኸድ ማለት ንጥቀመሉ so when do you go to school. The next one is how is used for manner ከመይ ገይሩ በከመይ አገባብ ወይ መገዲ በከመይ ሜላ ወይ ስልቲ ለመነገር how we say how so how do you go to school ና ትምህርት ቤት በመንታይ ኻትኸይ በእግርኻ ኻትኸይ በመኪና ኻትኸይ ኢልና ለመጠየቅ እንጥቀመሉ so how do you go to school we use the word how. The next one is what Here it is used for object, idea or action. هذه ነገራት ወይ ሐሳብ ወይ ሆነ ተግባር ለመጠያ እንታይ ወይም ደግሞ ታይ ማለት ታይሱ ወይ እንታይ so the sentence is what do you do እንታይ ኻትሰራ እንታይ ስራሕኻ ለኻንምጣ what do you do. The next one is which is used for choice. which ምንታና ተቀመሉ ምርጫ ከተማረጥ እንተልኻ መማረጥ ይልሆነ ነገር which one like here the sentence is which one is yours ayenai iyunatka ayenu yunaiha ilna kan ተቀመሉ ተለና so we say which one is yours and the next one is whose is used for possessions እዚ whose ተቀመሉ ናይመን ማለት ዋንነት ዝገልጽ በዓል ንብረት ዝኾነ ሰብ so we say whose. All right, whose book is this the መጽሐፍ እዚ ናይመን እዩ so we use this one whose. Next one is whom is used for object of the verb ናይ ግስ ተቀባል ኮይኑ ተቀመሉ whom ይላምዚ so whom did you meet እዚ whom did you meet okay ለምን ረኺብኻ ለምን አግኒኻ ኢልና ተቀመሉ whom did you meet ኢልና ተቀመሉ the next one is what kind is used for description አይነት ንምግላጽ ሓደ ነገር we say what kind of movie do you like what kind of movie do you like እንታይ አይነት ፊልም ኢኻ ትፈቱ ማለት what kind of movie do you like. The next one is what time is used for time ንጊዜ እዚ እንደ ሰዓት ኢኻ ንምጥያ ማዕዝ ንጊዜ ክንጥቀመልና and we use what time and then it's more related with when بالنسبة مثل تتحازى المساسة when you can say when and then you can say what time. So what time did you come home نجزا معز متيخا نجزا معز متيخا دا. And the next one is what for. What for is used for asking for a reason. The same thing with why. إلنا has the reason تكمل why is يعلى what for. So what for level نخلينا ما نمنتين مخنيات متيا. So what for. And what did you do that for? What did you do that for? What did you do that for? إلنا ننكر ماشي. And the next one is how many. How many is for quantity or countable. County نبزحي كوتر زخلو نجارات خينام. So we use this one how many. How many students are there? خليتهم هالعلو. The next one is how much. It is amount زي لنا بزحي الجلد اللون الواقع كن وفي الليل ونجارزي تتكمل how much لنا نتكلم كوتر زي خلو نجارات how much لنا نتكلم مالت. So how much time have we got? This actually زي علنا إخا. How much time do we have? Or how much time have we got? The next one is how long. نجيزي نوحات قلتلنا. نجيزي نوحات قلتلنا how long إلنا كنا قلنا. So you say how long did you stay in that hotel? After hotel نندق إذا أكلت أنيخا. Number one, how long did you stay in that hotel? So how long? نجيزي نوحات قلتلنا نجيزي نوحات نكنتير. The next one is how often. It is frequency. نتدقاقم الخونة نقرات الدقاقمو هندقيزي تقابرو إلخا هندقيزي يوم لقاتمو إلخا نمفلات نتكمل how often you go to the gym نابتي سبورت مسرح بوتا تزوترو لقيزي how often do you go to the gym هندقيزي أخذ خيز. And the next one is how far is used for distance. So you say how far. So how far is your school? ትምህርت ቤት ወይም ቤት ትምህርትኻ እንደይርሃ ካልገዛሃ እዚ how far is your school? እንደይርሃቱ ኢልና ንመጥያ እዩ. And the next one is how old. How old is used for age. ዕድመ ንምግላጽ እንጥቀመሉ እንጂ አንሰብ እንስሳ ሁሉ ነገር እንጥቀመሉ. how old ነገር ለ how old is this house ኢልና ንመጥያ. So how old are you? ክንደይ ትገብር ናይ ዕድመኻ ክንደይ ትገብር ኢልና ንመጥያ ክንደይ ዕድመኻ. And the last one is how come. How come is for a reason related like what for and why like why and what for. How come is for a reason, used for a reason. And how come I didn't see you at the party? How come I didn't see you at the party? So how come? Okay? كميلو دا زيرو من تايدا زيرو So don't forget to subscribe.